In this video I have, with my new workbench, I have this vise. It was on the old workbench and I'm going to install it onto this. I think I'm going to put it right over here on the corner. Okay, so I want to put it right on the corner here. So what I'm thinking is, right now it sticks way up, and what I want to try to do is, these are the two holes that mount it this way, and I want to try to get them into this hardwood. So I'm going to use a piece of scrap OSB as a spacer, and then I'll leave it about a ½ inch from the edge there. And with that spacer, it still sticks up, but if I go any lower, then I'm not going to be able to put the screws into the hardwood. I'm going to have to live with that. I might add maybe another layer on top of the bench if this sticking up becomes a problem. Okay, so it also has mounting holes underneath. I'm going to drill up on both sides and mount it from underneath also. So this vise, it's a fairly simple one to install. I don't think it's that expensive. I don't remember what I paid for it. I think it'll work out all right. It seems to be on there pretty solid. So anyway, I appreciate you tuning in. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Thanks.